is this generation being soft or not? Or naging open lang kasi tayo dun sa topic of about the traumas? Dahil hindi open ang pagiging vulnerable back in the days, back when our panahon ng magulang natin or mga lolo't lola kasi hindi pa openly being talked or being discussed yung vulnerability. So, dahil tahimik ka lang, dahil nagiging irritable ka na lang, ta's bigla na lang baka pumutok, sumabog. So, lagi kang pagod, wala ka ng ganang makipag-usap sa mga tao, wala ka ng ganang gumawa ng iba't ibang bagay sa buhay. And we're trying to normalize ngayon being vulnerable, being Ngayon, medyo naging part na dun na, is this generation being soft or not? Or naging open lang kasi tayo dun sa topic of about the traumas. If hindi mo to binibring up, if hindi mo to pinag-uusapan, akala natin part to ng adulting kasi nga, when you're adult, meaning we're strong, di ba? When we hear the word adult means being man up, show up, kaya mo yan. Pero kung isipin mo, that's the hidden cost of always being the strong one.